I'm not even, I need to grow up. Okay. It'll have one clip. And it'll have this band here. Well, actually these straps here. And you can adjust. And then it's going to have one more band here. Or, yeah, one more band here. So I'm cutting the lace and I'm kind of making it jagged so it won't be like so neat. But I've already I've already kind of like customized this, so it'll still like work out perfectly. Like there, some of her like baby hairs was kind of showing. So I'm gonna see what that looks like, bringing just a tiny bit of them forward. Not too much, literally a tiny bit. If some of them sparse out, that's fine, just let it come out because it'll give it even more of a natural effect. And then I do this with the lace to let the lace natural hairs come out. Nothing too much because I want it to look, yeah, I want it to just look natural. Oh, this is your girlfriend. This one was made for you. I'm like, wait.
It's so snug. It's just like perfect. It just sat right on my head.
Here, this was literally made for, I'm not even trying to be funny. Like, here, like you're done. Like, you're